We've got the first snow of the season in the Mid-Atlantic region, and it's time to dust off your snow shovel. In this video, I'm going to talk about protecting your back and shoveling snow in a way that's not going to subject you to back injury or muscle strain. If at all possible, get an early start. Don't wait until the snowfall is finished in order to start your clearing process. If you start with a couple of inches on the ground, you can push it and minimize the amount of stress and strain that you'll have to your back. You want to be able to just push the snow forward with your back without any lifting, bending, or turning to move snow from one position to the other. If you get to the point where you have to shovel and move snow, if you have a shovel full of snow and have it out in front of you, it pulls the spine downward and forward, and as I toss it to one side, I also subject it to a rotation stress. These repeated forces, especially with shoveling snow, can really injure or aggravate an existing spine issue. Preventing that rotation is more possible with the leg forward that is opposite to the side that I'm tossing. So again, if I'm tossing the snow to my left-hand side, I'm going to put my right leg forward, pull my abdominal muscles in, protect my back, and toss the snow to the left. It feels natural to have the left leg forward in order to do this. What that does, as I turn my body and my upper trunk to the left, my lower body and my back are pointing to the right-hand side. That repeated difference in rotation, my upper trunk rotating to the left, my lower body and pelvis turning to the right, is repeatedly stressful to my lower back. In order to prevent that rotation, I want to keep my right leg forward, pulling my abdominal muscles in, and tossing the snow to the left-hand side. This will prevent that opposite rotation of my lower back and repeated aggravation at the same area of my lumbar spine. So if you're changing directions of your toss, and now I'm tossing to the right-hand side, what feels comfortable is to keep the shovel with the right hand on the handle, the left hand forward, and to toss it over in this direction repeatedly. But that will create a rotation and a side bending force of your spine over and over again that's going to become aggravating, and it's not going to allow you to support your spine in the correct alignment. What we recommend in order to preserve your back is we're going to switch hands. We're going to put the left hand on the handle with the right hand at the stem, and the left leg's going to be forward in order to prevent low back rotation. Then we're going to repeatedly switch directions and toss the snow to the right-hand side. So to summarize, whichever direction that you're throwing, you're going to have the opposite hand on the handle and the opposite leg forward. If I'm tossing to the left, I have my right hand on the handle and my right leg forward. If I'm tossing to the right, I have my left hand on the handle and my left leg forward, pulling my abdominal muscles in, making sure that I'm holding the weight of the shovel as close to my body as possible, and preserving the natural position and loading of my lower back and spine. Following these measures will help you have a safe and enjoyable winter snow removing season.